What's up, people? Welcome to another episode of Drinking with Kevin, the show where I make one cocktail I've never made before with one of my friends. And today I'm here with the lovely, the talented Anna.
Hello!
That was great.
Thank you. Oh, okay.
Today we're making a drink called the Hemingway Special,
Whoa.
which is allegedly Ernest Hemingway's version of the daiquiri.
Oh.
Okay?
Yeah. I'm really excited.
I can sense the excitement.
Thanks for having me. I'm really happy to be on the show.
All right, we're getting into it. Dear Lord.
Woo!
To make this drink, you'll need white rum, grapefruit, limes, maraschino liqueur, and for your tools, you'll need a cocktail shaker and a jigger. Grab your cocktail shaker,
Okay.
fill it with ice. So we're gonna open it up.
Okay. You can go first. Oh.
It's a team. It's
Together?
a team effort. Drinking is a team sport. What? What are you even saying?
Okay.
Took me a second to realize you were just like not saying anything. You're welcome. Whoa. Whoa. We didn't put anything in it.
I don't know. I've told you I've never used one of these.
All right, we're gonna start with an ounce. I'll go first.
Okay. That might be best.
An ounce and a half of white rum.
Okay.
So that's the bigger side.
Right. Whoa.
Fill it.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh, I don't know. Okay.
You got this. I believe in you.
Yeah, I do. Oh, it smells so
You say it's
bad. Should I do more?
a little more.
I feel like I'm gonna spill it.
It's okay if you spill it.
Oh,
Oh God, you're spilling.
yeah.
And we need 3/4 ounce of lime juice.
Oh.
So we're doing it fresh today.
Nice.
All right.
Can you cut mine for me too?
I think the outside.
This
doesn't really
is the
matter.
good one.
Oh yeah.
That's.
So
the
we want to
stuff.
fill it up to 3/4.
Okay. All right, and then you just
Yep.
sugar it in.
Muscles, let's go.
Yeah.
Oh,
I feel like
yeah.
there was a lot of lime in that one.
Every lime is unique.
I love that.
I love that about limes.
And that's step 2.
Woo!
Step 2 is done.
Step 2 is complete.
Step 2.
So now we have to do a similar task with the grapefruit.
What?
This too.
Nice. Good solid.
Solid,
Good solid cut.
solid cut.
And there she is, folks.
Oh, you really put your body into it.
Oh, are you good? I just really like to get all the juice you can.
Yeah, we'll just squeeze all of it, whatever. You only live once, so you might as well do the whole grapefruit.
Yeah, that's what I always say.
Which part? You only live once, or you
Might as well do the whole grapefruit. I'll let you decide.
Oh God.
Do you want me to?
Yeah, let's go.
Nice. I think this will be more than enough. Can you?
Oh, you want me to do yours?
No, I guess.
God. That was quite the
Quite
stance.
the pour. And just in it goes.
I think. Yep, like everything else. Our last ingredient
Oh man.
is maraschino liqueur.
Woo!
So it's a liqueur that's made from distilled cherries.
Wow, that's cool.
We need the same amount, so another 1/4 ounce.
Okay.
Nice.
There you go. There she is.
Boom. There she
There she goes.
Boom!
Bam.
Killing it.
So do I cap my thing?
Yeah, so seal up your cocktail shaker,
All right. How do you?
and then
I guess it's
give
just,
it, make sure it's good. And then when you shake it, hold the top.
Okay.
With fervor!
Woo! That's crazy how the ice just really does its thing. I don't-
Crazy how ice is cold, man. Grab your
All right.
cocktail glass.
Okay.
These are coupe glasses.
Whoa.
That one gets stuck a lot, and
Can you help
I
me?
always give it to my guests.
That's so rude.
Wait.
Ah!
Pour.
Mmm.
It's refreshing.
It looks very refreshing.
We're gonna garnish these with a lime wheel or wedge. We're gonna try a wheel.
Okay.
Not really into the garnish
What's the
game.
difference?
One's a circle, one's not a circle.
Hmm.
Give it a whirl.
Whoa. Looks so nice.
Bam.
Keep on cutting the lime. Keep on.
3 days later.
This is really wasting limes though.
Got it.
Oh, you gave me a good one. Stick.
Boom.
Ba-boom.
Ready for a taste test?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. No, I didn't try it.
good.
I didn't try it. Oh, that's really
It's good.
Oh, you like that? Kind of strong, but really good. But I love it. I think you did really good. I like this drink.
I didn't invent it.
Well, you did a good job.
Ernest Hemingway did. To Ernest, wherever you are.
To Ernest.
In the great beyond. This brings us to the questionnaire portion of Drinking with Kevin, the part where I ask my friend a few questions, and if they answer wrong, they can never come back.
Are they about you?
No, they're not about Question number 1.
Yeah.
Would you rather go to the bar, club, or stay in?
Oh, that's so hard. On average?
Yeah, average. Like, what's the real answer?
Bar. Maybe stay in though.
But really?
It's a game time.
We've had a lot of stay in.
And no, I love staying in
Majority
so much.
have said stay.
But sometimes I'm like, you're young, you should go to the bar.
Get out
And
there.
that's when I
Put
do go
yourself
to the
out
bar.
there.
The club is a little weird. Okay, actually maybe I should say stay in, because that was just not very convincing. Okay, never mind, let's just keep it rolling.
All right, you can only listen to one song for the next 6 months.
Okay.
What would it be?
Oh my gosh. Whoa.
It's a doozy.
That is a doozy. Okay, Sit Next to Me by Foster the People. I love that
Is that
song.
a newer one?
Yeah.
How can you sing a little bit for us?
It starts like this. Come over. It's over, it's over.
Oh yeah. I know that song.
I love that song.
Good reaction.
There it goes. I was born for camera.
This
Those
leads
are
us
cool.
into our official.
I love that. Anyway,
Anyway.
moving on.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how weird are you?
9?
You're a 10.
Do you think?
Yes.
Thanks. Woo.
2020 election.
Yeah.
The Rock, Kanye West,
Yes.
Oprah,
Okay.
or a write-in of your choice.
Oh my gosh, a write-in? No.
What is this
like our habits.
democratic system coming to?
Like, you don't want to know. So, out of the ones you gave me, I would say Oprah, then The Rock, then Kanye. Sorry, I know you love Kanye, but he's
Overrated.
not very stable.
So Oprah.
So Oprah. Maybe I would also write in my dad, your dad.
Any of our dads would
Our
make
dad
great
would
presidents.
both be wonderful.
Talk to your dad tonight and see if he wants to run for president.
Funny.
Mr. Buffalini.
Oh, that's awesome. Wow!
Would you rather
Yeah.
have fame or fortune?
Oh, fortune.
What would you do with all your riches?
I would go to an island and jet ski.
That is what I've been waiting for someone to say.
What else are people
No one
saying?
wants to do anything.
I would go jet skiing.
Nice.
Okay, next.
Do you do you have a spirit animal? And if you don't, what
It's a
kind?
puppy.
Oh,
No, it's been decided. That was decided.
what kind of anything?
Or a duckling. And I didn't give these to myself. This was a vote. We were in Bolivia on a trip, and we just were so bored that we started going around the circle.
You're like nothing new in Bolivia.
I'm like, so there's really nothing at all going on that day. And I was voted to be a golden retriever puppy. They're
Both are
so
fair.
sweet and cuddly. That's... Well, why do you like duckling better?
I don't know, 'cause it's funny.
Just like a baby
Yeah.
duck. I'm like,
See?
okay, fine, a baby duck. A duckling.
AKA duckling.
Just watch it. Watch yourself.
Watch yourself. What TV show are you currently into? Hashtag binge life.
Oh, I like the hashtag.
Okay.
I currently, I'm rewatching The Office right now. There's not really anything else I like enough.
Do you have any hidden talents? So obviously
Ooh.
you're wildly talented.
Thank you.
But what are you hiding from the people?
Hidden talents.
Could be weird, could be like,
I don't want to say it and
you
then,
gonna tell me you're psychic or something?
no, but I think I am athletic, weirdly. Like,
Oh yeah, she's kind
I
of secret.
play a sport and then all of a sudden, like, people will be like, whoa,
She's like secret athletic,
yeah.
but not like a She doesn't promote
I'll just make a
herself
really
as an
good
athlete.
catch of it, like randomly, and people will be like,
tackle.
"Where did that come from?" I'm like,
Field goal.
but it's not consistent, so I wouldn't say it's.
So
It's like a one-time amazing play, and it's a one and done. Whoa.
Last question.
Ooh, oh, I wish there were more. This is so fun.
What was the best purchase of your adult life? So it could be small, big, something that changed the game for you as a grown-up.
I had to buy it.
Yes.
But I would probably say the best purchase of my adult life was, I really like my Apple Watch, but that's so annoying to
That's
say.
fine. Ah, we can't see it.
What's that?
Well, how many steps?
Oh, not a lot. I kind of just got out of bed, came here, and then I'll just walk home and sit back down.
Walk home? Like, 3-hour walk.
I'll call you at like 7. So I made it.
Made it home.
So I'm here. Oh no, I have absolutely nothing to talk about in regards to work.
Perfect.
But if I did, I would share it here.
This is the place to share it.
Like if I did, right here, right now, buddy.
Okay.
Oh, you put your lime in.
Yeah, man.
Cool.
Cool.
Okay.
That's definitely going in. That's all we have for you today. Thank you for watching.
Ask me one more question.
I don't have any more questions.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Bye.
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 That's all we have for you today. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Anna, for coming by. Until next time on Drinking with Kevin.
Cheers.
Cheers. It was good.
It was fun. Oh, can you do that to me?